A solid business plan serves as a roadmap for your business, outlining your goals, strategies, and operational plans. It is a crucial document that helps you clarify your vision, identify potential challenges, and present your business idea to potential investors or stakeholders. Executive Summary. This is a brief overview of your entire business plan, summarizing the key points. It should capture the essence of your business and what makes it unique. Company Description. Provide a detailed description of your business, its mission, and the problem it aims to solve. Explain why your product or service is needed in the market. Market Analysis. Conduct thorough research on your target market, industry trends, and customer needs. Use data to support your claims. Product or service description. Explain in detail what your product or service is and how it works. Highlight its key features and benefits. Marketing and sales strategy. Outline your plans for promoting and selling your product or service. Describe your target audience and the marketing channels you'll use. Competitive analysis. Identify your main competitors and analyze their strengths and weaknesses. Showcase how your product or service differentiates from the competition. Operational plan. Explain the day-to-day operations of your business, including production processes, technology requirements, and team structure. Financial projections. Present financial forecasts for the next 3 to 5 years, including sales, expenses, and projected profits. Funding requirements. If you are seeking investment or financing, clearly state how much funding you need and how you plan to use it. Risk analysis. Identify potential risks and challenges that your business might face and outline strategies to mitigate them. Remember that a business plan should be well-structured, concise, and based on realistic data and assumptions. It's a dynamic document that you can revisit and adjust as your business evolves. A strong business plan not only helps to secure funding but also serves as a valuable guide for your business's growth and success. Don't forget that this was the third part of an 11-series video. Check out the next video to learn more about unique selling proposition. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell to get notified.